How to add end screens and cards to increase your channel views.
Hi, this is Hamza Shamsi, and you're watching Info World and Technology. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get latest videos.
Hi, today we'll see how we can increase views by end screens and cards. Now what we'll do, we'll go to Creator Studio. We'll go to a video where we want to add end screens and cards. We'll go on advanced. Let's go to Classic Creator Studio first. Now we want to add end screen. What we'll click on end screen here, and you see here there's an add element inspect. We'll click on this and we'll create a video or playlist. Now what I can choose from is most recent upload, the video that I've posted recently, or the video which is best for you viewer, or a playlist. So I'll choose best for you viewer. So YouTube automatically creates the end screen which is best for viewer. We'll go on create element. When we have one already in this, so when you'll get a element like here, right here. So you can move this element too. You can add 4 elements, but I don't want you to add so many elements because there'll be people won't be able to see your video end. So here we go and we click on save. Now at the end of our video the elements will be shown. Now how to add cards, we'll click on cards here. We can add 5 cards. You can see I've already added 4 cards here. I'll go on add card, I'll go on create, and I'll add this video. Okay, now from here I can set the timing that when the card should be shown in our video. So I'll set the timing whichever is the best for me, or whichever I feel should be shown here. It will be shown here. Okay, all the changes are saved. Okay, so now we'll play this video, and we have added end screen and cards, and we have added around 7 minutes. We'll go on 7 minutes and you'll see we have added cards and end screen successfully. So here you go. I'm sorry it's taking so much time to load. Let me show you only one card and then you can figure it out. You see the icon here? This is the icon which cards are shown from. So at the end of it you'll see the end screen and the cards too. See, suggested how to add channel keywords or channel tags. The card has been shown. Now at the end screen, see, I'm seeing these 2 videos, one which is best for viewer and one which I've added manually. So it's really easy, and you should really add cards and end screen because it gives you a lot of views. Thank you. Like the video, do subscribe, like and share, and come back for more videos.